I throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley.
Walk to the KO-MA-TAY.
Did you just say the KO-MA-TAY?
Yeah, he said the KO-MA-TAY.
Yep.
There it is. Beavis? Look at this ass. No. Oh my goodness.
KO-MA-TAY.
Look over there.
KO-MA-TAY.
Why is it with him and cutting his hand all the damn time?
KO-MA-TAY.
Oh my god, I'm gonna back up just so I can do it again.
KO-MA-TAY.
How did I do it? KO-MA-TAY. We should do that and just build it in like find a KO-MA sound.
Just get like a KO-MA sound. Just get like a KO-MA sound effect. Put it in there.
Yeah. KO-MA-TAY.
I want to see what your heart looks like. Be my Valentine, motherfucker.
Look into your heart. You will find there's nothing there.
The heart didn't really get squished, it just kind of stayed there. Man, at least it's a heart in his hand.
And Deadly Alliance, so they kind of were like a team at one point, and then they like betrayed each other and shit. Weird. Yeah, they were assholes.
Oh my. Oh god.
I love Ermac, they're just so ridiculous.
Clutch wins! I hit the wrong button the entire time. I was trying to do a combo and it wouldn't let me. There we go. Let me touch you in places.
No.
No. Oh god, he grabbed. Oh god, what is? Oh my.
I think that was Portal.
Oh my. Helen, have you ever played Portal? All right then. It's time for the last final round. Time to give you the KO-MA-TAY. He's so quick. Some of that dark magic love. No! Please, wait, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Wow.
What happened to crap that is?
Well, I think we were.
Where was you when you did that? You played as regular Kenshin when you did that fight. You could have shown good. I like that one too. You look good.
Your timing is so off. Nobody asked you. Hit the KO-MA-TAY.
Dang. Oh, jeez.
Get some of this KO-MA-TAY. Some of that KO-MA-TAY. A little more of this KO-MA-TAY. KO-MA-TAY.
Oh, come on.
KO-MA-TAY. Matt, watch out for this KO-MA-TAY. KO-MA-TAY.
Fuck! It didn't fucking work. Damn it.
Did you feel the KO-MA-TAY? Stupid.
It is pretty dumb, I ain't lying. I do like the butcher variation, that's a good one though. Not really. If you want to kill someone, would you really throw the weapon at them instead of just having
Yeah, not really.
Realistically, no, that's stupid. But like, from my perspective, flying chainsaws is hard to deal with.
That's true, but you know.
No! No!
Bye bye. Piss.
Oh, bullshit!
Yeah, that was.
I was just about to criticize him, but never mind, he won.
They're gonna take his face off? Fucking face off.
We're not doing that quote.
You know what would be awesome?
I get enough of that from Alien.
Well, you know what would be awesome though? If when he did that, it chopped off.
You do realize it's actually a character. You do realize it's actually a character with a brutality that has that reference in it, right?
Really?
Shinnok literally has the move face off, where he pulls your face off and puts it on his face.
You've got to edit that in, by the way, every time you say it. Just listen.
I know, damn it, I know.
And edit it in.
You ain't gotta tell me, bitch. It's my computer, my editing, my job,
KO-Ma-TAY.
bitch. Give him the KO-Ma-TAY, Matt.
Say it a lot.
I like that. I like that.
I like that.
Yeah, that's the whole point of imposter is to become whatever it
My
is that
goodness, I like that too.
Motherfucker. Get
I
bounced.
forgot I could do that.
Oh my, that hurt. KO-Ma-TAY. I have to I have to play that sound effect every time someone says the word. So let me stop saying the word. I'm putting in more editing for myself. So let me stop this.
Yes. How do you spell KO-Ma-TAY?
Shut your ass
Spell
up.
KO-Ma-TAY. Somebody spell it.
KO-Ma-TAY.
I didn't even click the right button. You threw me on.
Oh, there's an opportunity wasted.
KO-Ma-TAY. KO-Ma-tality.
Whatever.
Give him the KO-Ma-TAY. I'm gonna have to keep editing that in. My God. And there's like about an hour worth of fucking video of this. Oh God.
Talk about Jewish people and helping them. Oh my goodness.
A lot of things that come out of Matt's mouth don't really mix though.
Oh, that missed.
I don't know why. Whenever I have a selective set of
Everything
stuff, I
he
make
says.
fun of it all the time.
Oh,
Well, he has like, a lot
KO-Ma-TAY.
less health than you do, so it's not like it really even matters.
Combo.
I don't know why, but he seems to have the best grab of all people I've seen so far.
Give me that face.
Oh my goodness.
KO-Ma-TAY.
Mentality.
KO-Ma-tality.
Look at the face.
Well, yeah, it's called Face Off for a reason.
So we gotta make this epic.
Like, you edit it?
We gotta make this epic. Prepare to get this KO-Ma-TAY.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
KO-Ma-TAY.
I'm not playing as rated.
I would be scared shitless to see Kenshi go full power. If he can do that, then what?
30 episodes later.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. No. I wasn't ready. KO-Ma-TAY. Damn it, you. KO-Ma-TAY. KO-Ma-TAY. Oh God.
Oh crap.
I think you're gonna need to edit out the ching jump stuff. Yeah.
I literally just stand there and just started throwing shit at you. KO-Ma-TAY. Shut up and get this KO-Ma-TAY.
Shut the fuck